Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss what you can do to take your profile from just okay to outstanding. If you have made it this far, then your basic profile is at a level that is acceptable and conforms to italki's policies. However, you also want to make your profile page look smooth and professional while showcasing your personality and uniqueness. Let's go to our teacher profile settings. In our introduction, we want to show students to the best of our abilities our professionalism, but also what makes us an individual. Adding more information or refining what has already been written can increase your profile's attractiveness. Consider putting information in more than one language to attract speakers who may not understand your teaching language well. Share hobbies, interests, and skills that may apply to your lessons, or encourage students that share those interests to join your class. In the About Me section is where we can put those things that make us unique. We all have something interesting about where we come from, our interests and hobbies, and what shapes the person we are. In Me as a Teacher is where we let our professionalism shine. We want to share our teaching experience, give examples of how we have helped students, our mentoring experience, and our expertise. For example, I have helped over 500 students pass their IELTS exam at band 7.5. Or, I am a leading software engineer for Google. Your teaching or mentoring experience can extend outside the field of language learning as well. In My Lesson and Teaching Style is where you can give a description of what to expect in your classes. What type of materials do you use in class? Do you have a relaxed classroom or a more professional atmosphere? What are your thoughts on language learning? Do you specialize in any language skills like test preparation or business classes? This is the place to explain all that and more. Is your introduction video the best it can be? Your video is one of the first and largest things students see and use to get to know you better. Students will often choose a teacher mostly based on their introduction video, so spending some extra time recording a good video can significantly increase the chances of getting a new student. In the video, introduce yourself and include a couple of interesting facts about where you are from, an unusual local dish, a piece of traditional clothing, or other things unique to you. Try leading your video with any languages you may speak besides your teaching language. This can help students feel better connected to you. Do not forget to speak all the languages that you are going to teach on italki, as that is a requirement. Feel free to add graphics, animation, and subtitles to your video. But remember to also follow the requirements. Talk about your lessons and overall atmosphere in class. Smile and demonstrate to everyone that you are happy to see them in your class. A well-recorded video demonstrates your seriousness and professional approach to your italki career. For more ideas and suggestions, check out our articles in the Teacher Knowledge Base. When choosing a teacher, everything matters. Spending a little extra time on filling in all the profile information in the beginning can start you on a path to success at italki. Thanks for learning more about the importance of your profile. We'll see you in the next video.